So I'm going to try to do a recording with my little goofball here. I'm sure he'll get in the middle of it sometime. Anyway, so this is day number 3 of working on the truck. Got the truck box off, doors off, front clip off. I just wanted to show just a bit of rust. Some on the floor there. Cut out that floor pan and put a new one in. Of course, the rockers. And then the corner, cab corner, as you can see, the floor. So, pretty much the same on the other side. All the typical spots. I'm also going to take this tank out. It's one of my goals. Take the tank out and put it in the back here. Got a nice kit for that. If we look at the frame, we can see that it's a pretty solid frame. I'll probably power wash it here yet today, just so I can get most of the dirt off and just see what I'm dealing with. I think it looks good myself. A little bit on the front end here. I think the driver's side front fender was replaced at one time, and this passenger side was not, and it was the hard one to get off. But I did. Got it off. And we could look at the bed here as the bottom, of course, and it's the floor of the truck. Thanks. The floor of the truck it's pretty solid, but I'm still going to take it out, put oak in. I need to take those fenders out, and I need a little bit bigger fenders for the tires that are on here. As you can see, it was rubbing. I think that's why they cut that there. They cut it and just beat it over a little bit so they could have a little bit more space for the tires. But I'm going to just put bigger fenders on there. I'll probably order new ones, just cut it down the middle, weld the strip in the middle, and fix it that way. Anyway. Oh, hi. Till next time.